Blakely and Middleton South.
Lord Mayor, Mr. Secretary, can I thank you, the people who counted ballot papers, the other people who made democracy possible, the police who look after security, the people who stand for election. You can't have democracy if people don't put themselves forward to be elected. So thanks to all those people. Particular thanks to my family who are here tonight, Catherine, my wife, and Callum and Alec, thanks to them. And for the eighth time, I like to thank Martin Conlon, my agent, who has worked his socks off for a campaign that's been 6 weeks and long. So thank you to Martin and all the other people who've gone out and delivered letters to postal voters, which is packaging work delivered leaflets to people.